Hey, Sendsparkers, congratulations on upgrading your account to our business plan. Now that you're on our business plan, you're going to have access to quite a few different features. Now, don't worry because you're still going to have access to all of the premium features from the Pro plan, but now you're also going to have access to a customer success manager. You can add up to 5 team members onto your workspace at no additional cost. And you're going to have features that will allow you to focus on brand consistency, and you'll have some team analytics. So let me go ahead and show you some of those branding features that we have. So if you're looking to remove all of Sendspark's branding on the video request page and also on the video share page, then you can come down to the white label toggle and that will remove it for you. Now, there's also the option to add this custom domain. So this is really great because if you want to share your videos from your own domain URL, then you can go ahead and connect your domain to Sendspark. So this is going to give Sendspark permission to use the domain for your video share page and also for your video request page. And lastly, for the branding features, you have the ability to add a custom favicon. So up here, instead of it showing the Sendspark icon, you can replace it with your own. Now, with the business plan, you'll also have access to CRM integrations. So you can have Salesforce, Hubspot, or Zoho enabled. And this is really great because then you can also see your video page views right from your CRM. Now, let me go ahead and show you one of my favorite features from the business plan. It is from our admin dashboard. This admin dashboard is going to allow you to see everything on a high level overview from your team. So you can see each team member's total amount of videos, but you can also see the total amount of videos on the team. So you can see the total plays, total likes, and total clicks. And remember, total clicks means the call to action amount of clicks that you've gotten. Now, if we scroll down a little bit further, you're also going to see the top 10 videos on your team. So this is actually super beneficial because you can go into the video itself and see the content. So this will help you understand what your team member is doing to be so successful, especially if they have the #1 video with more visits, more plays, clicks, and likes. So hopefully you can all learn from each other. But until then, if there's anything that you need, please don't ever hesitate to reach out to us at help.sendspark.com and we'll be happy to assist you. And until then, enjoy using the platform and happy recording.